Let's start with the Paleto PTH 1400, a log processing powerhouse that takes efficiency to a whole new level. This machine is built for massive timber operations where speed and precision are key. Look at that rotating cabin. It gives the operator a full 360-degree view of the worksite, eliminating the need for constant repositioning. Just one smooth motion, and the operator can grab, strip, and stack logs without moving an inch. The hydraulic crane arm is a beast on its own. It grips and moves multi-ton logs with ease, like a robotic arm-lifting matchsticks. And check out that debarking system. In just a few seconds, the tree trunk goes from rough to completely stripped, ready for processing. This machine alone can handle what would take an entire crew hours to process manually. It's all about efficiency, precision, and raw power. Now, let's talk about two absolute workhorses in the forestry industry, the OSA 270 Helium and the OSA 710 processor. These machines are built to tackle the toughest logging jobs, and they do it flawlessly. First, watch the OSA 270 Helium in action. This machine is designed to haul massive logs across rough terrain. Notice how it glides over mud, rocks, and uneven ground without breaking a sweat. Thanks to its high-torque drivetrain and reinforced hydraulic system, it can transport logs that weigh thousands of pounds like it's nothing. Then we have the OSA 710 processor, a machine that takes raw timber and transforms it into clean, uniform log. Its precision cutting system ensures that every piece of wood is the perfect length, ready for transport. And the best part? It's fully automated, reducing the need for manual labor and maximizing output. These two machines working together, a game changer for the logging industry? Once the big logs are out of the way, there's still one major problem left: stumps and leftover branches. That's where stump grinders and wood chippers come in. Take a look at this industrial stump grinder. Its high-speed rotating blades are shredding this massive tree stump into fine wood chips within seconds. It's fast, efficient, and leaves zero trace of the tree. Then we have the wood chipper, a brutal machine that devours branches, small logs, and leftover debris. With razor-sharp blades spinning at insane speeds, it turns waste into useful mulch or biofuel. Without these machines, land clearing would be a slow and exhausting process. But with them, it's quick, clean, and environmentally efficient. In our last video, we explored some of the most powerful logging machines in the industry: high-tech processors, massive haulers, and industrial-grade chippers. But have you ever wondered what logging looked like before all this technology? Today, we're taking a step back to compare traditional logging methods with modern machinery. From the ancient art of horse logging in Japan to the extreme dangers of operating heavy equipment, this is a deep dive into the past, present, and future of the forestry industry. Let's get into it. No. Before powerful excavators and hydraulic processors, people relied on pure muscle and skill to move logs out of the forest. In Japan, one of the most fascinating traditional techniques is horse logging, an art that has been perfected over centuries. Watch how these incredible draft horses navigate steep, narrow trails, carefully dragging massive logs through rugged terrain. The bond between the handler and the horse is what makes this possible. With just a few verbal commands, the horse knows exactly when to pull, stop, or adjust direction. Unlike modern machines, horse logging is gentler on the environment. It minimizes soil disturbance, doesn't require fuel, and allows for selective harvesting without damaging surrounding trees, but is also incredibly labor-intensive and takes years of training to master. Even today, some small-scale loggers still use this technique for eco-friendly forestry. But when it comes to large-scale logging, modern machines are simply unmatched in speed and efficiency. Now, let's see how modern technology has transformed logging into a highly efficient operation. Instead of one horse pulling one log, machines like this log skidder can haul dozens of logs at a time in just a few minutes. Its powerful hydraulic arms grab, lift, and transport logs with pinpoint precision, cutting the workload by over 90% compared to manual methods. And when it comes to processing timber, high-speed log processors can cut, strip, and stack logs at a rate of over 1,000 board feet per hour, something that would take a full team of workers an entire day to accomplish by hand. But while these machines offer unmatched power and speed, they also come with serious risks if not handled properly. Which brings us to our next section. Logging is one of the most dangerous jobs in the world. Whether you're working with traditional methods or modern machinery, every moment on the job requires absolute focus and skill. One of the biggest risks? Falling trees and rolling logs. These things weigh thousands of pounds. And a single miscalculation can lead to catastrophic accidents. That's why proper training and teamwork are critical in any forestry operation. Then, there's the danger of operating heavy machinery. These machines may look like unstoppable giants, but a moment of distraction or equipment failure can be deadly. High-speed saws, moving hydraulic arms, and unstable terrain create a work environment where one mistake can be fatal. That's why modern logging isn't just about power, it's about precision, skill, and safety. Operators must be highly trained, wear protective gear, and follow strict safety protocols to keep themselves and their crews out of harm's way. So, what's the future of logging? While modern machines have made forestry faster, safer, and more efficient, traditional methods like horse logging still have their place in sustainable and small-scale operations. At the end of the day, it's all about balance, using cutting-edge technology while still respecting the environment and the people who work in it. What do you think? Should we keep some of these traditional techniques alive, or is full automation the way forward? Let us know in the comments. And as always, if you love seeing powerful forestry tech in action, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon Zio for more epic content from forestry tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Aloda.
When performing lifting operations with multiple cranes, it is essential to calculate the load distribution, the total weight of equipment below the boom tip, hooks, lifting slings, beams, etc., and include a safety factor. Even minor errors can lead to severe consequences.